Hello, I just got this parcel. I am so excited. I can't wait to open it. Oh my god, this is so excited. I have been wanting a new camera for like 1,000 years. From a really long time. It's very protected. The camera that you are seeing now that I am using is the Sony A5100, which I can literally say I almost hate it. Like I almost hate it. Yeah, it's not exaggerated. I really don't like it. I will go into depth when I open this freaking bubble and take my camera out. Dun dun! It's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I know that Mark III is out, but I've heard some not good comments on Mark III. I didn't go into depth with that one, and every single YouTube blogger, they are using the Mark II or G7X with Mark nothing. So I just think, you know, Mark III is so much more expensive and everyone is still using Mark II, so I don't really need Mark III. You know what I mean. So when you open the box, chunk of things as usual, and then you've got this charger. And let me check this first. It is a little string that you can attach the camera, the battery, and charger, and then it's our highlight. Wow, look at this beauty. That's so much smaller than Sony A5100. That is so much smaller. Okay, and the camera at the back. Okay, here, there you go. Okay, this is on off. Set day and time. No memory card. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's touchscreen. Oh, I didn't know what I am going to do. Okay, let's shut it down first. Hello, okay, so now I'm using the iPhone 8 because I want to show you both cameras and I only have one memory card. I'm so stupid, I can't do that at the same time. I can't do like Sony and Canon together. Okay, anyway, so I am going to show you the difference between these cameras. Okay, perfect. So here is the Sony A5100 and here's the Canon G7X Mark II. I know both of them are not new. I purchased that back in 2015, 14, I don't know. When I first started my first channel, I actually wanted to buy the Canon G7X, like the original one, Mark nothing, because that one was so good reviewed and a lot of bloggers just use that one. But when I went to the store, I was just convinced to buy the Sony A5100 because by that time I think Mark II was coming out, and the seller told me like, why don't you just wait for another 2 months or 3 months to buy the Mark II rather than the Mark nothing, or otherwise buy the A5100 because that was new and everyone said it's comparable to this one. But as you see, I've been using Sony A5100 for years and now finally I got this one. I should have got this one earlier. I don't know, I still didn't test it out yet, but I really don't like this one. You can see by the size, the length of the A5100 is changeable, which the Canon isn't, so it is much more compact in the thickness. They always say that it's not that much of difference, but it is. Here also it is so much thicker, and because of the lens, it is so much thicker. The other thing is that the camera lid, oh, this is really not user-friendly. I know a lot of cameras that you can change the lenses is like a separate lid, but I really don't like it. And this one, it is built in. You don't need to buy this extra strength. But even if you have this extra strength, you're not scared to lose the lid. Sometimes when you're shooting something, you try to take it and then hang around in front of the lens. So I really don't like that. Sony one, the screen you can only flip up like that, but the Canon G7X you can, of course, you can flip up. Also, it can be like this. Canon one as touchable screen, and which the Sony is not. The other thing is the color it comes out. I'm going to do a little text to show you the difference of the color. In this channel that you're watching, previous few videos that I uploaded, they are very yellow. Some of my friends told me that they thought that I am, you know, making the colors much more vintage. They thought that I like a vintage vibe, but actually it's not. It is that Sony, this camera, it comes out the color pretty yellow. I am going to shoot now with this iPhone 8 and the Sony together. So iPhone 8 Sony, iPhone 8 Sony. I'm really actually interested to see the color comparison between iPhone 8 and Sony. I want to show you how yellowy the Sony image come out. Every time I just hate to edit all my videos. I was so excited to shoot videos, you know, I got new stuff, blah. But when I was editing and I see the footages, I was like, man, I am not good at color editing. How can I turn this color to the color that I want? So yes, I know why I was convinced by the sales, you know. I wish I wasn't convinced by him, because now I spent like double more money with this Sony, and after a few years now I am getting my hand on the Canon G7X, and I went through so much pain just to edit the color and still couldn't reach the color I liked. Okay, so after this iPhone 8 Sony, iPhone 8 Sony comparison, I am going to try my Canon G7X and see how's the color difference. So as I can't really use two cameras at the same time because I only have one memory card, I am going to, you know, just let you know I am shooting this angle. So this is the color comes out in Sony A5100. Now I'm going to switch my camera to Canon G7X. Okay, hello guys. Now just from the screen I can tell that the color is quite different. This is the Canon G7X. I'm not sure how the sound is coming out, but I don't concern the sound like that much. Yeah, so it's really so much lighter. It's so much more handy. Yeah, I am going to check the footage to see how's the camera like color difference look like. So yeah, this is the Canon G7X. Hi guys. Okay, wow, I am overwhelmed by the color of the Canon G7X, which is I am using now. Yeah, I was just thinking another point, like how is the light going when I suddenly step into like bright sunlight like now. So yeah, it takes some time to focus, which the Sony A5100 doesn't need to take time, but I am so much happier with the color that comes out on the Canon G7X, so I have no complaint about it. Yeah, and one thing that bear in mind, I know I am saying a lot of bad things about Canon G7X. I really don't like it because I really don't like it. The other thing is that like now I am using the mini tripod, pretty heavy on this side on the battery, and it always like tore down like all the time. I thought that is the problem with tripod, but now we just tried with Canon G7X, and you know, the weight is pretty balanced on both sides, which the tripod doesn't flip. So yeah, I love it, and yeah, I'm so happy with the new camera. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are looking to buy a vlog camera or, you know, a stylo camera on YouTube, I definitely you know, recommend the Canon G7X Mark II or any Canon G7X, to be honest. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, click the subscribe button now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.